Hey, what's up, good people? I just wanted to stop in really quick and tell you this. This is very important for a lot of you that are just into the stock market. The decisions or crypto, the decisions you make over the next 12 months, especially, is just going to be life changing. Some of you have gotten in and, things have been not going well lately in crypto and with the stock, right? And you may give up and then Q1 of 2022 may rebound, right? But after the rebound, when the Fed started raising interest rates, we could go into a bear season. We could. Maybe, maybe not. We don't know. Let's let the markets tell us what to do. All of us are just guessing what next year is going to bring. We do know that the Fed is going to raise the interest rates 3 different times. That's going to affect stocks and crypto. But here's what I do know, that a lot of you that have just come into the market in the last year, which are millions, if not tens of millions, what I want to say to you is that, this is going to be a big shake off quarter over the next 3 months. Really, there's going to be a lot of you guys that's going to shake off. You're going to say, hey, this doesn't work. I don't know what I'm doing, or the market is rigged, or all of this stuff. You're gonna be thinking about this, and I believe that it'll be the biggest mistake of your life. You're gonna look back on this period and say, instead of doubting, I should have been buying. All right. And so that's what I want you to do. I want you to, before you make any decisions, before you say, hey, I'm going to lock in my losses and I'm just going to walk away, before you do any of that, I want you to, number one, find out what's some good high conviction stock. And when you find good high conviction stock, not hype stock, but stock, great companies that's been around for 20, 10, 20, 30 years. What I want you to do is just zoom out over a 10-year period and see how that stock has been doing. And I can tell you that it's not 100% definite that's what it's going to do over the next 10 years, but at least you have something to look at. And you better believe a lot of people every year is where you are now, and they gave up. But I will tell you, long-term investing in the stock market, not trading, not swing and day trading, which we can make a lot of money doing that, and we're going to continue with that. But long-term investing in high conviction stock. I mean the Microsofts and the Apples of the world. Those make money over and over and over. And yes, even when they get beat down, they come back resilient. And over a 10-year period, if you just consistently invested in them, you will come out a lot better. So what I'm going to do, what I'm trying to say is, don't give up right now, because now is the time that you really need to be setting up your positions, getting into the right stock, and then holding and investing in dollar cost in those stock and ETFs for the next 10 years, good people. Now's not the time to give up on this journey, because what you do now is going to be life changing, not just for you, but for your kids and your kids' kids. It's easy to buy stock or crypto when it's running and it's green and you're chasing the bull, because you see that, hey, it's green, I can make money. But when it's beat down and it's red, that's what I want you guys. This is going to be my message. We're going to talk about individual stock. Tonight, I'm going to talk about NEO, but I just want to encourage you on this Sunday morning just to do that. And you know what? When you start, there comes a point where you have to cut off the computer, cut off your phone, stop looking at your long-term stock, your long-term investing stock. Get outside like I do, go for a walk, and see the glass as half full, not half empty. All right, good people, that's all I wanted to say to you on this somewhat cloudy Sunday morning here in the Midwest. All right, I just felt like somebody needed to hear this today. So if you're into only high conviction plays, and you don't have consumables, and you don't have banking, and you don't have, if you're only in a high speculative plays, now's the time not to be running in fear, but to be looking at those solid plays. Yeah, we're going to continue to day trade. We're going to continue to swing trade. But while we're doing that, we're going to start, some of us, investing. I got to say, anything that I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell a stock, blah, 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 blah. Make sure you check out all the links below. And let's talk about NEO tonight. NEO Day was yesterday, and they had a lot of good news, a lot of great news to talk about. So we'll see what's happening. You know, I got this love-hate relationship with NEO. All right, good people, working on these allergies. I'm not going to let it defeat me. We'll see you tonight. Live, love, laugh, and learn.